Good evening, everyone. This is June 2017, Unit 6 of IEL Chemistry. The doubts which you have sent related to this paper. So, we have copper carbonate. We are heating it from copper oxide, water, and carbon dioxide. So, when a solid is heated, you don't see bubbles, effervescence, because when a gas is given off in the solution, then you can mention a bubble or effervescence. But here you have a solid, and on heating, decompose it, give water, so you will see condensation or droplet at the mouth of the test tube, and the solid copper carbonate is green in color, it turn into black. But you cannot write effervescence or bubbles because the solid decompose. If there was a reaction of solid in solution and the carbon dioxide gas was there, then you can mention fizz, bubbles, or effervescence. Question 2, part B. This question is about isomeric carbonyl compound as shown, pentanal, pentanone, and pentanethreone, part B. On the structures of a table below, circular proton environment in each molecule that would produce a peak in NMR indicate clearly if any other environment are identical, hence give the number of different proton environment. So the number of the proton, for identifying the number of the proton environment, we have to check the neighbors as well. So when we see this one, this is CH3, CH2, 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 and CH. So all like these CH2 even are not identical. Why? Because next to this CH2 is CH3 and CH2. But for this CH2, next is CH2 and CH2. So they are not identical environment. They are all different environments. So A, B, C, D, and E. So 5 different environments are there. What about this one? CH3, CH2, CH2, C, and CH3. So even this CH3 is not identical to this CH3. Why? Because their neighbors are different. So when their neighbors are different, so how many environments? A, B, C, and D. So 4 environments are there. What about this one? When we check, so this is CH3, this one is CH2, this one is CH2, and this is CH3. So they have the identical neighbors. So these CH2 are same. And this CH3 and CH3s are also same. Why? Because they have identical neighbors. So this one is environment A and this one is environment B. So only 2 environments are there in the last compound. Question 3, part A. A student measured the standard EMF of a cell. Use the following equation. Look how you can identify the type of electrode. Here you can see a copper ion is changing into copper metal, or copper metal can change into copper. So from where you will get the copper atom? You can get the copper atom from the electrode. So this electrode should be made up of copper. But what about iron? Because iron 2 is changing into iron 3, or iron 3 is changing into iron 2. So you don't need electrode made up of iron. You only want the electrolyte which contain both ions, iron 2 as well as iron 3. So identify the part of apparatus instrument C. So what is the instrument C? It is a high resistance voltmeter. Metal used for B. So metal used for B because we want electrode potential. When electrode potential or reduction electrode potential is written, copper ion is changing into copper atom. So it means that we need copper atom. So from where we get copper atom? It's from the metal. So electrode, this should be made up of copper, but metal used for D, because for D iron 3 is changing into iron 2, so it does not make difference the electrode, so it should be an inert electrode, unreactive electrode. That's why it should be made up of platinum. And component needed to make, so A is the salt bridge. How we make a salt bridge? We take a filter paper dipped in potassium or soaked in potassium nitrate solution. And solution E, what could be solution E? Because we want equal concentration of iron 2 and iron 3. So it is a mixture of iron salt, but because we want equal concentration of both ions in the solution, if it was iron 2 chloride, so this will result in a formation of 1 mole of iron and 3 moles of chloride ion. And if we have first thing, it should be a soluble salt of iron. So iron 2 sulfate or iron 3 chloride we can take. This will dissociate, so we should have equal concentration. But for example, if you write that we took a mixture of iron 2 sulfate and iron 3 sulfate, so here 1 mole of iron 2 sulfate, iron 3 sulfate will give 2 moles of iron ion, and here 1 mole will give 1 mole. So if we mix equal concentration, then we'll not have the same amount of ions of iron 2 and iron 3 in the solution. So to have the same amount, this should be double. Like if we use 1 mole per dm cube iron sulfate, then we should use 0.5 mole per dm cube of iron 3 sulfate, so that we'll have the equal concentration of iron 2 and iron 3 ion in the solution. So these are the doubts which you have sent related to Unit 6 of IEL Chemistry from June 2017.